Fellas, let's be honest, most of us have owned a pair of these cheap sunglasses. You know, a pair like this that you get at the gas station because you're on a road trip somewhere and you just need something to cover your eyes, and these will do the trick. Or a pair like this that you get from a party that you go to, and that night they looked awesome in the photos, but that's about it. You wear them for like a week, then they don't fit, they're not comfortable, they get scratched, and you're over it. And I'm absolutely done with buying pair after pair of cheap sunglasses. And that's why I decided to do something a bit different. I decided to partner with Firmoo, a company that makes not only sunglasses, but also eyeglasses as well. And I've been wearing this pair for a week now. I've put them through their paces, and I can assure you, these are the real deal. Not only are they lightweight, so I barely notice them on my face, they fit me properly so they're not pinching the side of my head or here on the bridge of my nose. They're comfortable and they are affordable. And this is the best part. You can choose the frames, the lens tint. You want it polarized? Do you want it to change if there's indoor or outdoor lighting? You can even get prescription eyeglasses and sunglasses. They do it all on their website. And you can even upload a photo of yourself so you can try them on virtually and make sure they are the exact way that you want them to be. Look, I get it. No one wants to spend hundreds of dollars on designer shades, but you also need to stop throwing your money on cheap sunglasses like this. You need to check out Firmoo. I promise you, you will find a pair that you enjoy. And to help you out, I have a discount code down in the comments. Check it out. It'll help you save on your first pair, and it won't be your only pair. So ditch the cheap sunglasses, save your money, and check out Firmoo today.